Table.
Tutors. Table.
Tutors.
Table.
Tutors. Table.
Tutors.
Hey guys, my name is Rob, aka DJ Mur. I'm here at Table Tutors. I've been DJing for 9 years, and what started me DJing was actually DJ AM. The reason why I came to Table Tutors was because I wanted to learn about scratching. I always knew how to kind of scratch, but didn't really know the more technical ways of scratching. The experience I've had at Table Tutors has been awesome. I have to give a big shout out to DJ Relic because he's the one that put this on, and I can't be more happy and proud of him for putting something like this together. It's very nice to see the DJ community come together and learn about DJing. I want to give a big shout out to Eric/Wondercut. He was my instructor, and he's the one that taught me all the scratches that I know today.